Hi everyone, welcome to today's class, which focuses on the uses of the verb get. The verb get can be very challenging because it has so many very different meanings and because it is used in many expressions. Get is used in informal speech, is written before words such as ill, pregnant, suspicious, worried. It's used in phrases such as get changed, get dressed, and get married. This class focuses on its use in phrasal verbs and verb plus preposition combinations. Let's start by looking at get, followed by a direct object. So this means to obtain, to receive, or to buy. For example, she got her driving license last week. He gets $1,000 a year from his father. When get is followed by a place expression, it means to reach or to arrive at a place. We got to London around 6 p.m. What time will we get there? When get is followed by an adjective, it means to become or to show a change of state. It's getting hotter. It gets dark very early in the winter. When we combine get plus a person plus a verb in the infinitive form, it usually means to convince someone to do something or to trick someone into doing something. Jane got her son to take the medicine even though it tasted terrible. How can parents get their children to read more? The government TV commercials are trying to get people to stop smoking. Get versus have. Sometimes, get someone to do something is interchangeable with have someone do something. But these expressions do not mean exactly the same thing. I got the mechanic to check my brakes. This means that at first the mechanic didn't think it was necessary, but I convinced him to check the brakes. I had the mechanic check my brakes. This means I asked the mechanic to check the brakes. So here's a list of phrasal verbs using get. Get going or get started, meaning to become active or productive. It can also mean to leave. Get your foot in the door means to have an opportunity. Get by means to manage, normally referring to managing financially. If we follow get with a pronoun and then down, it means to descend or to become depressed. An example would be get him down, or the stress at work is getting me down. Get off. To leave a form of transport, such as a train, bus, even a bicycle or a plane. You could also use the word alight or disembark. Get on, meaning to enter or sit on a form of transport, again, a train, bus, bicycle or plane. Get it, meaning to understand. An example would be, he finally gets it. Get wind of. To hear a piece of information that someone else is trying to keep secret. Get through. Use or finish the supply of something. An example would be, I got through the box of cereal. Get somewhere. This can be used literally to refer to arriving at a destination, or figuratively to mean to progress or advance in life. Get up to do something. This is often used in a negative context, to refer to getting up to mischief. Get at, try to express. Get away with, escape punishment for a crime or bad action. Get a kick out of, to find something interesting and funny. For example, I get a kick out of watching my brother trying to ride a bike. Get used to become accustomed to, or to become comfortable with. Get a rise out of, to annoy someone. Get rid of, to dispose of or to remove. Get out of, to avoid doing something, especially a duty. Get over, recover from an illness. Get a move on, to hurry up. Get up, leave your bed. Get together. This normally refers to an informal social gathering, or as a verb, to meet socially. Get together. Use the phrasal verbs to complete the sentences. Complete the sentences with an appropriate form of become or get. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.